Hey there! Want your iPhone to light up when you get a text or call? This handy feature is perfect for noisy places or if you're someone who learns better visually. Let's dive into how you can enable flash alerts on your iPhone. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down until you see the Accessibility option. After that, tap on Accessibility to open it. Now scroll down again until you reach the Hearing section. Then tap on Audio/Visual. Next, scroll down a bit more and find LED flash for alerts. Finally, toggle the switch to turn it on. This will make your iPhone's LED flash blink when you receive a text message, call, or any other notifications. Here, you can also see options for flash when unlocked, flash in silent mode. If you'd like to use these features, you can enable them right here. Additional tips: test the feature. After you've enabled it, try sending yourself a test message or call to see if the LED flash works as expected. Battery consideration. Just a heads up, using the LED flash frequently can impact your battery life, so feel free to adjust these settings based on how often you use them. And there you have it. That's how you can get your iPhone to flash when you receive a text or call. If you have any questions or need help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in.